Very good morning to one and all. I will be sharing here few video lectures. Today we are going to first discuss about the resistance projection welding. Let me take you to the content right away. So here in this welding process, high electrical resistance at the joint is developed by embossing one or more projection on one of the surfaces to be welded. So we already learned about the uh, resistance spot welding process. So the projection welding process having the principle almost similar to the resistance spot welding process. However, there will be slight changes in the equipment used. I will explain you. So in here also the high electrical resistance at the joint is developed by embossing or imprinting or embossing one or more projections on one of the surfaces to be welded. So the projections can be either round or oval or pointed, and it depends upon the design or the strength, uh, meeting the strength requirements. So here in this picture, if you look at the picture below, so that is this one, you can see that. So this I will explain in detail, don't worry. So you, like a spot welding process, you can also here see the electrodes used, and this is the base metal and this is the metal to be joined, and you can see that the projections are made on the metal to be joined. See, this is pointed like projections. Okay, and as I mentioned initially, high localized temperatures are generated at the projections and which are in contact with the flat mating part. You can see it in the figure. Please see the figure below. Okay, and if you look at the image below, you can see that the projection welding uses the same equipment as spot welding. Okay, the electrodes used in the projection welding are flat. Look at the electrodes used, flat electrodes. The name itself is flat electrodes. So whereas in the case of spot welding, that is little, it's not flat as like this. So the electrodes used in projection welding are flat on the ends and are slightly larger than those used in resistance spot welding. Okay, and you can see this is a metal to be joined, this is a base metal. Okay, so the spot welding equipment can be used for the resistance projection welding, but only concern is by modifying the electrodes. Okay, so if you look at the image below, you can observe that the small projections point like are made on the surfaces of the material to be welded. Okay, and these electrodes, typically these electrodes are made up of copper based alloys, and these flat and large electrodes are made up of copper based alloy. And also sometimes in this schematic diagram it is not shown, a water cooling facility is provided to keep their temperature low. As in the case of spot welding, here also the weld nuggets are formed as when the electrode exert pressure to soften and compress the projections. And as mentioned right here, in this welding process, the surface preparation, proper surface preparation is important for the successful welding using projection welding. First of all, the contact between the surface to be weld, the contact between the surface to be weld can be obtained through small projections on the surface. So that is what this projections is made for. And the circuit for current flow, yes, of course, this as I these are falls under the classification of electric resistance welding. Okay, so the resistance to the electrical current flow, the current flow is the reason for this welding process. So the circuit for the current flow is completed through these projections. Through these projections, the electrical current flows. And what happens as the current flows? Um, as the current flows, a weld nuggets start forming surrounding the projection. Okay, or the point of contact. So these weld points, as it is subjected to heating, it can soon reach a plastic state, isn't it? Once the metal is heated, we know that it can be reached to plastic state, and you will be easily compress the metal to obtain the finished weld. So this is the same the working principle for the spot welding process. And there will be physically what you can observe using your naked eye is you can observe small indentation on the surface, and that is the only difference we can see outside compared with the spot welding process. And here also another important information I can share with you is, like spot welding, here also no protective atmosphere is needed for the welding process. And not only one projection, one or more projections made. Here two projections are made. One or more projections are made on the surface of plates where the contact occurs, and these are the locations where the fusion takes place. And another important advantage, it needs, I mean the resistance projection welding process needs only low current and pressure requirements to form a good joint. So as a result, the chances of distortion and shrinkage is lower in the case of resistance projection welding. And this type of welding is widely used in the case of fabrication of automobile body parts, and also nut and bolts can be welded to sheets and plates by this process. This welding process is also used in the fabrication of many household and industrial equipments. Thank you.